If your Mac's trash keep filling up and you forget to empty it, you can set it to empty automatically every 30 days. So how to automatically empty trash on Mac? Firstly, go to your Finder, which should be in left down corner area on new Mac OS. Now in the top menu bar, click on Finder and here simply open Settings. Now you want to navigate to Advanced section. And here you will find remove items from the trash after 30 days. Turn this option on. From now on, anything that's been sitting in the trash for 30 days gets deleted automatically without you having to do anything. Keep in mind, once something is automatically deleted from the trash, it's gone. It's a small setting, but it keeps your storage clean without any effort on your part. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.